Are you tired of juggling between vacuuming and mopping your floors? This MAMNV robot vacuum and mop combo offers a groundbreaking 2-in-1 solution that takes the hassle out of your cleaning routine. With its powerful suction, intelligent app control, and a slim design that fits under furniture, this robotic vacuum cleaner is the ultimate assistant for a cleaner home. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, dust, or low-pile carpets, this innovative machine is designed to meet your every need. Let's dive into the features that make this product a must-have for your home. The MAMNV T7S Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo offers simultaneous vacuuming and mopping with separate water and dust tanks, which is a revolutionary feature. This dual functionality saves you both time and effort, especially when cleaning hard floors. You don't need to switch between two separate devices anymore. With this robot, you can mop and vacuum in one go. For homes with different types of flooring such as hardwood, tile, or low-pile carpets, this vacuum is an ideal choice. The wet and dry cleaning feature is incredibly versatile, making it suitable for homes with pets, children, or high foot traffic. Managing your cleaning routine has never been easier. The MAMNV T7S robot can be controlled via the Tuya Smart app or a remote control, making it highly user-friendly. Through the app, you can set cleaning schedules, adjust the suction levels, and even control the cleaning direction. Additionally, this vacuum cleaner is compatible with Google Assistant for voice control, so you can operate it hands-free. With smart control options, even your elderly family members can easily operate the device without any hassle. These modes ensure that no area of your home is left untouched. Whether you need a thorough cleaning for the entire floor or targeted cleaning for a specific spot, the MAMNV T7S has got you covered. Switching between these modes is incredibly simple, either through the app or remote control. One of the standout features is its impressive battery life. With a 2600 mAh battery, the vacuum can run for up to 180 minutes in quiet mode, allowing it to clean a space of up to 137 feet squared. Even on higher suction levels, you get substantial runtime before it needs a recharge. When the battery drops below 20%, the vacuum automatically returns to its charging dock, ensuring it's always ready for the next cleaning session. This self-charging capability makes it ideal for busy households where you don't have time to manually monitor its battery life. Powered by an advanced brushless motor, the MAMNV T7S delivers up to 2,000 PA of suction power. This ensures deep cleaning of carpets, hardwood floors, and tiles. The 3-speed suction settings let you adjust the power depending on the debris you're dealing with, whether it's large crumbs or fine dust particles. What sets this robot apart from others is its anti-hair wrap technology. Unlike traditional vacuums with roller brushes that can get clogged with pet hair, this machine uses a unique air intake design that eliminates hair tangling. This feature is a lifesaver for pet owners and anyone tired of cleaning out tangled hair from their vacuum. The MAMNV T7S robot vacuum is equipped with 15 sets of infrared sensors, which help it intelligently recognize and avoid obstacles like walls, stairs, and furniture. It can also climb thresholds and carpets up to 15 degrees, allowing it to move smoothly across different floor types. Moreover, the slim 2.9-inch design lets it slide under furniture, ensuring even hard-to-reach spots are thoroughly cleaned. The robot also operates quietly, making it perfect for households where you don't want to disturb family members or pets during cleaning. With a 12-month warranty and professional customer service, this product offers peace of mind along with stellar performance. Why choose the MAMNV Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo? If you're looking for a reliable, efficient, and smart cleaning solution, the MAMNV Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is the answer. It offers exceptional convenience with its smart control features, powerful suction, and anti-hair wrap technology. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent, or a pet owner, this 2-in-1 robot vacuum is designed to make your life easier. Its long battery life and ability to mop and vacuum simultaneously save you both time and energy. With the ability to customize your cleaning modes and schedule through the Tuya Smart app, this device truly puts you in control. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.